Hello, welcome to Jewelsteps. Our today's topic is account ledger. An account ledger is a complete record of all transactions for one account. In Jewelsteps, every account has its own ledger. Now let me show you how to open the account ledger in Jewelsteps. Let's go. First, go to the Utilities tab, select the account ledger, then click on the Add icon. Once the ledger page detail opens, we will enter the ledger information here, like we can add the profile, add the customer name, select the grouped debitor or creditor. After that, we can add the email address, add mobile number, phone number, special day, date of birth. Also select the customer type, like customer, add the billing address, shipping address, also add the nominee from here, and also the upload documents, mandatory documents from here, and click on the save button. Account ledger insert successfully.